தமிழ்நாட்டில் பிறந்து SFS இல் வளர்ந்து நாளைய தலைவர்களாவோம் ஆவோம். Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Yeah, I hope you are all fine. Welcome back to this session. Yeah, children, today we are going to start a new lesson. Okay, so already we have finished 2 lessons. Today we are going to start a new lesson. So you know the procedure of our class. Okay, so before start our session, we used to do the warm up. Okay, so please stand up. Yeah, stretch your hands. If I say 1, you have to rotate your wrist. Okay, both wrist you have to rotate it. If I say 2, you have to put down your hands. Okay, ready, children? Yeah. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, now you can sit. Breathe in, breathe out. Yeah, feel free and sit comfortably. Okay, dear children? Yeah, here I am going to show few pictures. Okay, observe it. Okay, then I'll ask you the question. Okay? Yeah. So, look at this picture. Yeah, it's actually a family. Okay, here mom is there and her kids. Okay, what they are doing actually? Yeah, they are writing their homeworks. Yes or no? Yeah. See the second picture. Yeah, what are you seeing from this picture? Yeah, 2 members are running. Okay, so by seeing this place you can identify, okay, their running race competition is going on. Okay, then see the third one. Yeah, a man is trying to lift the dumbbells. Yes or no? Okay, so by seeing all the 3 pictures, okay, all of them doing some work. Yes or no? Yeah, so even you two doing home works now. I mean doing your homeworks. I mean your study things. Okay, and also sometimes your parents will ask you help from you. Okay, that time also will do the work. So whatever work, if you want to do, what you need, tell me what you need. Yeah, you need energy. Yes or no? Okay, how do we get energy? Yeah, by eating good meals. I mean proper and nutritional food. If we take, will be healthy. Yes or no? And we will be very active and we can do all the works. So for all the works, if you want to do, what is the main thing? We have to do work means we need energy. Yes or no? So here they were doing some work. Okay, so whatever work if we want to do, okay, we need energy. Yes or no? So in this lesson also we are going to see about the energy. Okay, so shall we see about it, children? Yeah. So our topic is energy and its types. Our topic is energy and its types. Okay, so we are going to see what is energy and its types. Okay, note down, children, this is your third lesson. Okay, so the learning objectives are, in this class we are going to learn about energy, then and also to know its types. Okay, so two things we are going to learn here. Please concentrate. Okay, again I'm repeating. Just you imagine you're sitting in your classroom along with your friends. Okay, dear children? Yeah, so we'll start our session now. Okay, so what is energy? Okay, can you tell me what it's showing? I mean, the blue color. Yeah, where did you see this? Yeah, during rainy time. Yes or no? So, thunder and storm. Yeah, so that time we can hear huge noise. So, here we are going to discuss about what is energy. So energy in the sense, yeah, about our body energy to do some work. Okay, is it possible without energy to do some work? No, not at all. For example, if you skip your morning food, okay, will you able to listen the class properly? No, not at all. You can try, but you won't, because your body will not cooperate with your mind. The reason is you skipped your food in the morning. So once you eat something, you will get energy. So only during the running race competition, okay, the runners they used to drink more water, as especially they used to drink the energetic drink. For example, glucose, yeah, and also different kinds of juice. Why they have to drink? Yeah, once they drink, okay, they can run too faster how much they can. Okay, and also the tiredness will be move off. Okay, so we shall see about it. So first we'll see what is energy. Yeah, so energy makes change possible. So energy makes change possible means with the energy we can do everything. Okay, to do some work by using our energy. Okay, and also you can see some images here: light, heat energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, and kinetic energy. So light energy and heat energy. So light energy, by using current we are getting the light. Then heat energy by using the firewood plus matchstick. Then chemical energy, okay, by using chemicals will produce electricity. Okay, so that also related with the electricity. And about kinetic and electrical we'll see about that. Okay, so what is the definition of energy? So energy is the ability to do work. So ability in the sense whether we can do. Okay, so if we have energy we can do it. Okay, so measured in joules we can say the symbol J, just like a word. Okay, so the energy symbol we can say joules, and we can say J also. So there are multiple different kinds of energy. So about that we'll discuss. Yeah, so you have to remember one thing. So what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Please repeat, children. Energy is ability to do work. Okay. So then just look at this picture. Okay. What they are doing actually? Yeah, they were playing. Okay, and both sides students are there. Okay, like you. So that side 3 and this side also 3. Okay, so you can see the children 1, 2 and one more 3. That side also 3 is there. Just imagine, I hope you might have played this, yes or no, in your childhood. Yeah, so this side, I mean left hand side, 3 members are there. Right hand side also 3 members are there. So both side energy will be equal. Okay, but just imagine, here 4 members are there, here only one member is there. Is that possible the one member pull others? No, not at all. If the person is very healthy, I mean elder one means he can or she can. But since they are kids, they can't pull that much weight. Okay, so for that, both sides, the members should be very healthy, then only they can win the game. Okay, so both sides, if it is equal, 5 5 means, okay, both should try. Okay, one should put more effort to pull them. Okay, so the energy is must. Just imagine, without eating food, is it possible to play this game? No, first you will fell down. Okay, once they started to pull back, first you will fall down, you will be the loser of the game. Okay, so for all the works, for all the activities, we need energy to play, to run, to walk, to do some work, whatever, even to write, to read also, you need energy. Okay, for that energy you need to eat proper food. Okay, so what is energy? It's simplified. So energy equal to capacity for doing work. Already I told you, ability to do work, and we can say capacity for doing work. Okay. So energy equal to capacity for doing work. Okay. So you can memorize this, children, and say along with me. Energy is capacity for doing work. Okay, energy equal to capacity for doing work, whether you can. Okay, like that. So energy equal to capacity for doing work, whatever work. Okay, so then, so here I will show you some images. Construction work. Okay, first one is construction work. Yeah, to do the construction work, the labors should be healthy. Yes or no? Yeah, then only they can able to manage, I mean they can able to work too faster. Okay, so morning to till evening they need energy, and also they have to eat healthy food, then only they can work properly. If they are not eating properly, they could not work even for half an hour also. Okay, not only the construction work, dear children, for all the works. Okay, if we want to do, we should have energy. What is that? We should have energy. Then carpenter work. Yeah, so of course, so carpenter work also is a heavy work only. Okay, by using the woods, by using the instruments, they supposed to work hard. Okay, it's not easy to do this work. Everyone, no, everyone can't do. Okay, those who are experienced in that, okay, those who are trained well, they only can do that work. Not only the carpenter work, all the works, if they know only, they can do it. Okay, for everything they need energy. What is that? Energy. Okay, so for construction work, the laborers should have proper health fitness to do the work, and for carpenter work also. Okay, then, so cleaning house. Yeah, in this quarantine time, yeah, during this lockdown, you people know to do the work. Yes or no? Especially your mom and dad might have given so many works to you, right? Okay, at least weekly once you're supposed to help to your parents. Okay, help in the sense you have to try to clean your home, clean your room at least. Okay, try to wash your clothes. Okay, yeah, once you do that, okay, house will be clean and perfect, and also you also have used your energy. Yes or no? So if you eat and sleep means, is that pet, is that good? No, you will become fat. Okay, the energy will not used. Okay, the energy will not be used. So you're supposed to, if you eat means you're supposed to do some work. Okay, so please do that thing. Then washing clothes. What is that? Washing clothes. Okay, nowadays the washing machines are available, but still some of them using their hands only. Okay, to wash clothes they are using their hands. Okay, so do that cleaning work also, I mean washing clothes also, they should have the energy, then only the dress will be clean. Okay, so if it is heavy dirty dress, should be washed clearly. Okay, in you might have observed in that advertisements. Okay, they will soak the dress. If they show means automatically the stains will be removed. That's not okay. That's cheating the people. Okay, but while washing clothes in the hands, okay, it's difficult to move the strain away. Okay, so if you ask your mom, she will say, kindly ask your mommy how she is cleaning the clothes. I mean, how she is washing the clothes. Just ask her whether it is easy to do or difficult to do, especially your people dress. I mean, especially your white uniform. Okay, the Wednesday uniform, you know. Yeah, ask about that. So, playing football. So already I said children. So whatever work you supposed to put your energy for that, you have to be healthy. So playing football also you need energy. Okay, yeah. If one boy did not play properly also, okay, the team will be loser. Okay, so to do all the works we need energy. We should have that. So energy, it exists in different forms. Okay, for example, heat energy, electrical energy, sound energy, then light energy, chemical energy. Okay, in that previous slide, I mean in that first slide I have shown to you. So we know about the heat energy, right? Okay, the major source is sun. Then electrical energy in the sense current. Okay, electrical energy and light energy most probably same, and sound energy is different, and chemical energy, by using the chemicals we are getting that chemical energy. Okay, dear children, so we'll see about few types of energy in this session. Okay, so you have learned what is energy. Okay, energy is nothing but is ability to do work. Okay, or we can say capacity to do work. Okay, so just we'll see the forms of energy. In that few we will discuss in this session.